Vowel agreement in sentences. In Igbo, we mean using the light vowel throughout in sentence or using the heavy vowel in a sentence throughout without missing both of them. Let's see them now in sentences. Igbo, English. Number one sentence says, Ọ chọrọ ịbịa. Ọ chọrọ ịbịa, meaning he or she wants to come. Remember, ọ is a pronoun nnọchiaha that represents he or she in Igbo language. You can find that we use light vowel throughout. Light vowel are those vowels that has dot under. You can see I, and the R is also a light vowel. We use light vowel throughout. That is what we mean by vowel agreement. Another example, ha amataghị ọzọ. Ha amataghị ọzọ, meaning they don't recognize me again. You can see that we used light vowel throughout in this sentence again. You can see a, light vowel a. You can see I. You can see o. All of them, they are under light vowel. We don't mix it with heavy vowel. That is what we mean by vowel agreement in sentence. Let's see another example. Ọ sụrụ akwa ha tata. Ọ sụrụ akwa ha tata, meaning he or she washed their clothes today. You can find out that all of them, all these vowels are light vowels. You can see o, dot under, o, dot under, a, also a light vowel. You can see it, a. You can see o, o. They are all light vowels. Let's see heavy vowel. O tiri mkpu. O tiri mkpu. O tiri mkpu. Even if you want to pronounce this heavy vowel, you will find it difficult because you have to put your strength. O tiri mkpu. O is without dot under. That makes it so a heavy vowel. I, u, u without dot under. It is called heavy vowel. O tiri mkpu, meaning he or she shouted. O toro ogologo nnukwu. O toro ogologo nnukwu. You can find out that all these vowels here, they are without dot under. That is what we mean by vowel agreement. If you want to use heavy vowel like we use here, O toro ogologo nnukwu, you use heavy vowel throughout without missing it with light vowel. You can see that o and the u, they are without dot under to show you that it is pure heavy vowel you use throughout. We use throughout. O toro ogologo nnukwu, meaning he or she is very tall. Let's see vowel, light vowel in sentence. Ọ zara ụlọ ahụ taa. Ọ zara ụlọ ahụ taa, meaning he or she swept that house today. You can find out that o has dot under and the a is a light vowel. O light vowel with dot under, o with dot under. You can find out that o also has dot under and the a is also a light vowel. We use light vowel throughout. That is what we mean by vowel agreement, okay? Ọ bụ ha. Ọ bụ ha. You can see dot under. And the A is also a light vowel, meaning they are the one. Like and share our videos. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.